What if I told you that choosing the wrong M ASCP study book could double your study time and still leave you unprepared? That's exactly what happens to many candidates. But the good news is real test takers have already discovered which resources actually work. In this video, I'll reveal the 3 best M ASCP study books ranked by students who passed the exam. We'll look at the strengths, drawbacks, and who each book is best for. And yes, we'll also break down why MLSIAcademy ranks number 1 as the most complete study solution. Stay with me, because the difference between passing and retaking may come down to the right study book. Number 3. M ASCP Study Book by HARS Medical Laboratory Science Review. This is one of the most widely used text-style reviews. It provides over 1,000 multiple-choice questions with explanations. Content is detailed and closely aligned with the exam blueprint. However, the structure can feel overwhelming for first-time learners. Its review format is best for reinforcing knowledge, not initial teaching. Many students say it works well if combined with other resources. Number 2. M ASCP Study Book by Robert R. Har, Clinical Laboratory Science Review. This book is strong for content mastery and concept outlines. It summarizes major hematology, chemistry, microbiology, and immunology topics. The ease of explanation helps those who need content clarity. It contains charts, figures, and helpful diagrams for visual learners. But test takers report the question style does not always match the real M ASCP exam. Explanations can be brief, leaving some to search for deeper answers. It's an excellent primer, but not a complete test prep system. Number 1. The MLSIAcademy ASCP Study Book from MLSIAcademy. This resource ranks highest because it combines guided structure with comprehensive prep. First, it includes live online classes led by certified instructors. Classes are recorded, so students can replay and review anytime. It also delivers a concise, no-fluff study guide ebook. That makes reviewing dense lab science material much easier. Students receive a personalized study plan that adapts to their schedule. A dedicated How to Pass ASCP action plan eliminates wasted effort. Most importantly, MLSIAcademy provides 4 types of question practice. You get standard Q and ANTH, drills, timed quizzes, full-length practice exams, and mock exams. Together, these options create exam readiness under actual test conditions. That's why test takers rank it as the most complete M ASCP study book and prep system available. To quickly recap, the HARS Medical Laboratory Science Review offers breadth, but can overwhelm. The Clinical Laboratory Science Review simplifies concepts, but lacks exam-style depth. And the MLSIAcademy M ASCP Study Book earns the top spot. It's the only resource that combines guided live learning, structured ebooks, flexible plans, proven exam strategies, and layered practice questions. So if you're deciding on an M ASCP study book, remember this. Pairing strong content with realistic practice is the winning formula. And MLSIAcademy gives you both in one place. In our next video, we'll compare the best M ASCP question banks ranked by real students. That breakdown will help you choose the right practice engine for mastering test questions. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. If you've used one of these study books yourself, share your experience in the comments. Your insight can help another future medical laboratory scientist succeed. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your M ASCP certification prep journey.